Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to adjust date and time on photos in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Photos app and then open the photo whose date and time you want to adjust. Click on the three dots at top right. Locate and click on Adjust Date and Time. Then come here and adjust the date. So let's set this to today's date. And then the time, come to time, click on time zone, then search for your time. So if you want to set a particular time zone, you can just come here and search for the location time. Then click on time and then change the time. After that, go ahead and click on adjust at top right. And then you should see the photo date and time adjusted. You see it now. This is the new date and this is the original date, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to adjust date and time on photos in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.